Americans spend over $4 billion a year on headache medications, but what if your hands held the solution this whole time? Look, I get it. When that tension headache creeps up your neck, or the pounding migraine hits, you just want relief fast. And reaching for pills feels like the only option. But here's the thing, there's a 5,000-year-old technique that costs nothing, has zero side effects, and you can do it anywhere in under 3 minutes. It's called acupressure. I'm going to show you the exact pressure points that target different types of headaches, the ones that actually work according to traditional Chinese medicine principles that have stood the test of time. In this video, we decode ancient wellness practices with modern clarity. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple routine you can use the moment you feel that first twinge of pain. Let's break this down. Understanding acupressure. Why this works. Before we dive into the pressure points, you need to understand why this works, and no, it's not magic. Traditional Chinese medicine is built on this idea. Your body has energy pathways called meridians, kind of like rivers flowing through you. When these rivers get blocked from stress, tension, or pain, you feel stuck, tight, uncomfortable. Think of it like this. Imagine a garden hose. When water flows freely, your garden thrives. But when there's a kink, everything downstream suffers. Acupressure is about finding those kinks and releasing them. Now, here's where science and tradition meet. Modern research shows that stimulating these points can trigger your body's natural pain relief mechanisms, releasing endorphins, improving blood flow, and calming your nervous system. And the best part? You don't need needles, appointments, or special tools. Just your fingers and 2 to 3 minutes. So let's get to the points that matter most for headaches. The Powerhouse point, Li 4, Hegu. First up, the point that traditional Chinese medicine practitioners call the powerhouse for pain. Meet Li 4, also known as Hegu, or joining valley. Here's where to find it. On the back of your hand, in that fleshy webbing between your thumb and index finger. Press your thumb and finger together, see that muscle bulge? The highest point of that bulge is your target. Now here's how to use it. Take your opposite thumb and index finger and pinch this spot firmly. You should feel a slight ache, not sharp pain, but a dull, hurts so good sensation. Apply steady pressure for 30 seconds to 2 minutes. You can hold it still or massage in small circles, whatever feels better. Breathe slowly through your nose while you press. This point is legendary for headaches, especially those that start in your forehead or behind your eyes. It's also incredible for sinus pressure and general pain relief. But, and this is critical if you're pregnant, do not use this point. It can stimulate labor. Seriously, skip this one if there's any chance you might be pregnant. Alright, 1 point down. Let's move to the neck. The neck relievers, GB20, Wind Palace. If your headaches start at the base of your skull and creep up that tension that feels like a vice grip, this next point is your best friend. It's called GB20, or Fengqi, which translates to Wind Palace. I love that name. It's like you're opening the gates to let stale energy blow away. Here's where to find it. Reach both hands behind your head. Feel for the base of your skull where it meets your neck. Move your fingers about 1 inch to either side of your spine. You'll find 2 small hollows, just outside those thick trapezius muscles. Now press. Use your thumbs or fingertips to apply firm, upward pressure into those hollows. Tilt your head back slightly to increase the pressure. Hold for 1-2 minutes, breathing deeply. This point is magic for tension headaches, stiff necks, and even those headaches that come with red, tired eyes from too much screen time. The balancing effect on your nervous system is almost immediate. People describe it as feeling like a wave of calm washing over them. You can do both sides at once, or one at a time while lying down. Totally up to you. Quick pause if you're realizing how powerful these simple techniques are, and you want more science-backed wellness hacks that actually work. Hit that subscribe button. The temple soother, Tai Yang. You've probably done this one instinctively, rubbing your temples when your head pounds. But let me show you how to actually activate this point for maximum relief. This is Tai Yang. It's not on a major meridian, but it's what's called an extra point, and it's ridiculously effective for side of the head pain. Here's the spot. Find that tender depression on your temple, about ½ an inch back from the outer corner of your eyebrow. It's exactly where you'd naturally press when your head hurts. The technique: use your index or middle finger or even several fingers for broader contact. Apply gentle to moderate pressure in a slow, circular motion. Move clockwise for 30 seconds, then counterclockwise for 30 seconds. Do both sides simultaneously or one at a time. This is perfect for migraines, stress headaches, or that throbbing that comes from eye strain. The beauty of this point is you can do it anywhere at your desk, in a meeting. Even while you're watching TV, no one will even know you're working acupressure magic. The third eye, karma, Yintang. Now for the point that brings everything together: mind, body, and breath. It's called Yintang, and you might know it as the third eye point. Location is simple. Right at the midpoint between your eyebrows, in that slight depression at the bridge of your nose. This point is incredible for anxiety, stress-related headaches, and insomnia. It helps quiet the racing mind and releases tension in your forehead. Here's my favorite way to use it: close your eyes. Use your index or middle finger to press gently but firmly. Use a press, hold, release, rhythm. Press for 5 seconds, hold for 5, release for 2. Repeat for 1-2 minutes. While you're pressing, breathe slowly through your nose. If you want to level this up, silently repeat, so, on the inhale and hum, on the exhale. It's an ancient mantra that means, I am that, connecting you to your own healing power. This is my go-to before bed when my mind won't shut off. It's like hitting a reset button for your entire nervous system. Building your quick relief routine. Alright, let's bring this all together into a routine you can actually use. When you feel a headache coming on, here's your game plan. Number 1, Li 4, or Hegu, 1 minute each hand. Targets pain and sinus pressure. Number 2, GB 20, Wind Palace, 1-2 minutes both sides. Releases neck and shoulder tension. Number 3, Tai Yang, the temples, 30 seconds each side. Soothes throbbing at the sides. Number 4, Yintang, the third eye, 1 minute. Calms your entire system. Total time, less than 3 minutes. You can do the whole sequence, or just pick the 1-2 points that match your headache type. The key is consistency. Use these at the first sign of tension. Don't wait until the pain is a 10 out of 10. Think of it like maintenance, not emergency care. And here's a pro tip. Combine this with slow, deep breathing. Your breath is the remote control for your nervous system. Slow it down, and everything else follows. You can repeat this routine up to 5 times a day if needed. There's no limit, no side effects, and it gets more effective the more you practice. So here's what I want you to take away from this. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal itself. You just need to know where to press the right buttons. Literally. Acupressure isn't a replacement for medical care, but it's a powerful complement. It's free, it's fast, and it puts you back in control when pain tries to hijack your day. The next time you feel that familiar ache creeping in, don't just reach for the pill bottle. Try this first. Give yourself those 3 minutes. And listen, if you got value from this, hit that like button so I know to make more videos like this. Drop a comment and tell me, what's your go-to headache remedy right now? I'm curious what's working for you. Your well-being is worth the investment. I'll see you in the next one.